Hello everyone, welcome to the last video of our module. In this video, we are just going to populate our database with some more dummy data. And in the next module, then we are going to finally get back to developing our Flutter application and actually displaying all of the data that is saved inside of Firebase regarding our conversations and our users. So without anything further to do, let's get into it. So for now, we have two conversations, one between Hussein and Tom, and then we have another conversation that is between Hussein and James. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new conversation, and this conversation is going to be between James and Tom. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open up another tab, and inside of our new tab, I'm going to go to our conversations. I'm going to add a new document. For the document ID, we'll select auto ID. Field, we'll first select the members field, which would be a array of strings, and then the members that we are going to have is going to be James and Tom. So first copy James ID, paste it in. Then for our actual conversations owner, I'm going to set the owner to be James, so I'll paste in James ID here too. Then we'll copy Tom's ID, we'll copy it, and then we'll paste it as a new entry inside of our members array. Finally, we'll create our messages array for now, and we'll set it to empty, and then we'll click on save. As soon as we're done with that, the next thing I'm going to do that inside of our messages, I'm going to create a new message, and this message is going to be, but before I can create this new message, I'm just going to copy over the ID, which is the ID of James, to create a new message, and this message would be a map similar to what we were doing previously. And I'm going to first define the message. So the message is going to be hi, then the type, which is going to be TYP type, and then it's going to be text, the sender ID, which is going to be the ID we had copied, and then finally the timestamp, and the timestamp is going to be timestamp and then date, and we'll do 23/12/45/21. With that, I'm going to click on add. With that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go back to my users collection. I'm going to go back to the conversation for James, and I'm going to see that was a new conversation added. There was a new conversation, and that's the conversation that James has with Tom, which is shown by this ID. And as you can see, we have the last message, timestamp, all of the relevant data. And then for our conversation here, if you go to the CBR R10, you are going to see that we have the relevant data here regarding the last message, the name we're talking to, timestamp, and everything like that. So with that, I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to see you guys in the next module where we are going to continue developing our Flutter application. So with that, I hope that you enjoyed this module and that thus far you're enjoying this course. Please do not forget to leave a review on my course, and it would be really helpful if you would recommend this course to other people so that they could also learn a bit more about Flutter and Firebase. So with that, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.